Welcome back to the NIF tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll try to learn how to filter the signals on the signal page. For that, let's first click on the signals page. So here we find out that these are all the signals that have been listed for the duration of last 24 hours. Now, if you wish to filter the signals using the filter option available here, just click on the filter option. Here, you can filter the signal based on the tactic, technique, stream, tags, priority, confidence, and stage. So if you want to filter out a signal based on a certain tactic, say based on credential access, and suppose say based on brute force technique, then select that particular tactic technique and click on apply. It will list only those signals where the value of tactic and technique is the one that you have mentioned. Again, go back to the filter. If you want to reset the filter, click on the reset and click on apply. So you will be able to get all the signals as you were getting before applying the filter. You'll be able to apply the filter based on the stream value as well. So if I want only those signals which have been generated on the authentication stream, so I'll mention the name of that stream and click on apply. So here you'll find out that it will list all those signals which are raised based on those detection logic which are taking the data from the authentication stream. Again, if you want to deselect this filter, click on reset and click on apply. Now, if you wish to select signals based on their priority, so for example, I want to select only those signals which are having the priority value as medium, then simply click over here as a medium and click on apply. So medium severity range for the signal is severity score 4, 5 and 6. So you'll find out all those signals having the severity score of 4, 5 or 6 will be listed here. Again, if you wish to deselect this filter, then click on reset and click on apply. Similarly, you can filter the signals based on the confidence value. So if I want only those signals that are having the high confidence value, I can select it and click on apply. So it will list only those signals which are having the value of the confidence mentioned as high. Again, if you do want to reset it, click on reset and click on apply. You can also filter the signal based on the stage. That means whether those signals have been generated from the workbook of the production stage, beta stage, development stage or testing stage. So just select it and click on apply. So here, as per this filter that we have selected, it is showing only those signals which have been generated by the workbooks which are in the production stage. Again, if you don't need it, then simply click on reset and click on apply. The last option is filtering the signals based on some tags. So while creating the signal workbook, if we have provided any specific tag, then based on that as well, you will be able to filter out the signals. So right now we do not have any signal which is associated with that certain tag. That's why I didn't mention, but I just hope you understood the working of this tag behavior here. So in this example, we try to understand that how we can filter out a signal based on the certain tactic or technique, stream value, priority value, confidence stage and tags value. I hope now you'll be able to use this filters feature in order to filter the signal based on your requirement. Thank you for patiently watching to this tutorial. In the upcoming tutorial, we'll talk about more such exciting features of the NIF. Thank you.